Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to build satellite TikTok accounts. Let's talk a bit about what satellite TikTok accounts are. When you upload a video and it appears on multiple accounts, you increase your chances of reaching more customers. This helps your brand gain wider exposure. Secondly, you can test content more quickly. For the same product or service, you can post different versions and see which video trends and generates orders more easily. Third, it increases the viral rate of your videos. For example, when you build multiple accounts, the chance that at least one account will have a viral video is very high, or sometimes even 2 or 3 accounts can go viral at the same time. Next, when you build a satellite channel system, each account targets a different customer segment or niche, allowing you to drive traffic to your main channel, landing page, inbox, or any other platform you want. Another issue is whether this method is considered spam. If you upload videos without any editing, you will be flagged as spam, especially when you're posting dozens or even hundreds of times. That's when you'll start running into problems. Secondly, posting at the same time. Third, using the same caption, hashtags, and audio for all videos. You'll notice that all these accounts are new and have unusual activity. To build satellite TikTok accounts, first you need videos. For example, if I go on TikTok, I'll take a section from my own account. Then I'll go to the scan and download video section. Here you can scan by Google Video, user, hashtag or keyword, and it will download videos for you based on your selection. There are platforms like TikTok, Douyin, YouTube, etc. For example, I'll choose TikTok, then paste the profile link, select how many videos to download, let's say 20, and then export all these videos for you. Here you can see the number of views, likes, comments and shares. I just select the content with the highest views and download those. That's it. Okay, there you go. So this is their channel. I just filter out the videos with high views to download. You can either select all of them or just pick the ones with a high number of views. Decide whether to upload to your account, choose based on the video ratio and select which region to save them in. Then you can get started. For example, I'll choose this folder. See, do you get it? The status shows that it's already downloaded. Here, let me check which section it's in. It's a bit mixed up in this video section. There, it's already downloaded. That's it. Okay, next up is the process of editing and refining this video. So it's already been downloaded to the system, right? Here, I'm just adjusting the download mode a little bit. So right here, I'll focus on the video editing section, just performing some basic editing as we usually do. There. You have the option to replace the existing audio track, use the delete audio feature, or even separate its various parts. That's basically it. Just turn everything off and separate everything out. For example, I can easily edit the layout right here. This is a good example with some sample videos, like something about travel or a similar topic. So after waiting for about a minute, the system will generate videos just like this one. That's it, but it has to be in the correct aspect ratio. Here's the logo, then the name and information section. Everything is here. You can also download everything in bulk. Next is our TikTok software. Search for this software. It can help you manage multiple accounts. Each account here can be assigned its own proxy to ensure the account's safety. As you can see, for each account, we'll get the username, password, account name, cookies, Hotmail and all other information. Everything is complete. Basically, it's all the information you entered before. Everything is fully set up. Before posting a video, you need to have the video ready, right? So here, I'll go to the video management section, then just upload your video. For example, I'll take the video I just got. Where did I put it? For example, let's use this video right here. There, simply click on the OK button. I'll just select a category, let's say this category right here. There, it will show up in bulk in this area. Next, I really need to upload this video. So you go to the post function and then select post video. In the post video section, there's a very useful feature to schedule videos and post videos with products attached as well. Just follow the steps mentioned above to post a video. Then you select the videos here. For example, I'll select all of these videos. Then for each individual account, you can choose exactly how many videos each account will post, how to tag the videos, and select everything that you need. For the best possible results, you should check this box. Actually, no, you definitely shouldn't check this box, because if you check this box, all accounts will post the exact same video. So you really shouldn't do that. Then add tags and the ID checklist. You can turn off the tag list, and you can also turn off the following list. These options are not strictly required at all, so you don't necessarily have to select them. If I needn't turn them off, I'll leave it like this, and then I'll select any extra options I want, for example, and start.
I was looking into darkness for something to hold on. Found you when you were so broken. I felt something was wrong. I think I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you. Ooh, I'm in love with you. I'm in love, 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 I'm in love with you. I'm in love with you.